So good morning, dear students. Welcome once again. As we have discussed regarding computation of custom duty, these amendments took place in 2018. Just now I have taken from website, okay, and from here only I have got uh, download of this question sheet, right, whereby the changes took place in 2018. So that is why there is, but whatever we have discussed, it was up to the mark. There is no much differences what we have discussed and what is there as per the amended custom act, as per the amendment in custom act. So kindly take down the same thing what you have taken earlier. It goes like this. Accessible value, again I'm telling you, accessible value I'm going to teach you separately. Okay, I'm going to teach you separately accessible value, and that, and then after that also this entire thing will come. Okay, so or you want me to first teach you accessible value only? Uh, okay, let it be. No problem. You start with this. Uh, it will not create any problem for you to understanding. We did from beginning also. So accessible value Why I'm telling you accessible value? Because you are importing the goods. It will come from other country. So whatever the expenditure we have incurred getting that goods from that country's manufacturing unit or factory till here, till our land will be your accessible value. That we will take it up later on, don't worry. That is there as per section 14.1 and subsection section 14.2. We will be discussing later on. But after that, after accessible value, BCD, okay, SWS, this has been changed. Earlier, that is what I was referring. Earlier, it was, your education cess that has been transformed now. So you need not have to take those older things. You keep these things in your mind. So first, accessible value will give you the BCD, basic custom duty. Okay, that will be charged on A. Then social SWS will be on basic custom duty. So we'll have to modify our questions also, solution rather. Basic custom duty पे ही we can charge SWS, social welfare surcharges. जो earlier it was known as education cess. That is 10% fixed. Even though it is not given, you have to take it. That is giving you subtotal on that IGST, integrated tax, and IGST will give you the compensation cess. Compensation cess will be different. It varies. Okay. And then that will be your total cost of imported goods. Okay. So there is little bit corrections. I hope this part you have taken. It is same what you have done just now. जो आपने लिखा वही चीज है वहां पे भी कोई ज्यादा हार्ड एंड टफ नहीं है. Taken everyone, just let me know. Now याद रखना accessible value पे BCD, BCD पे SWS, that will give us the total value on that IGST, and compensation cess will be on IGST. Okay, I hope things are clear to you all. Now let us do the questions which we had. Little modification will be required. Accessible value पक्का है, BCD प्रॉपर है, यहाँ पे अपने को चेंज करना पड़ेगा. What will come? अच्छा, SWS is not there, so let me modify the question only. तो बोलो compensation से क्या बोलेंगे इसको? कम then it is perfect. Then it is perfect. Compensation says if I will consider SWS, then it is perfect. No problem. Okay. Go to next, which we were dealing. Accessible value is 100. BCD is 10%. Okay. CVD is 12%. SWS we have charged. Now on this, yes, IGST will be charged, and compensation cess will also be charged on IGST. Add. One thing, compensation will be on IGST. IGST how much? 10% off. So what will be then total value of the product? Compensation should be on IGST what you have charged. Cess, SWS will be on the basic and whatever the custom duty you have charged. Very clear. Okay. SWS is on basic custom duty what you have charged. If at all it will come. In first question, SWS was not there. So I have not considered SWS on that. So accessible value, basic custom duty, whatever the balance we have got on that, we have charged IGST. Whatever the IGST we got on that, we have charged compensation cess. The value will be 124. Just verify करो. 52 पैसे. Am I right? Check करो जरा. So as per provision of 2017, whatever the computation has been done by this student is correct. This all I have made the correction last year. Last year there were different kind of applicability. In 2018 it got changed. So now also we have to follow the revised which has been changed in 2018 from 2nd Feb 2018. Here also it will be changed. It will be on 19 rupees 8 paise. 8, yeah. Just verify karo now these answers. believe is correct. Please check. This is at the rate of 12% answer. This is at the rate of 18% IGST answer. Okay. DCD is always on assessable value. If SWS could have been charged, it would have been on DCD. Whatever we will get on that, IGST will be charged, because it is very clearly stated IGST will be on ABC, whatever the value we will get. So on D. So sorry. Even compensation cess will also be on D. D means whatever we have calculated was perfectly all right, not on IGST. Perfect. Compensation. Yeah, perfect. So whatever you have calculated yesterday, it was perfect. Only SWS की जगह पे compensation cess कर दो. Now let us go to today's question. Okay, assessable value was 100. BCD 10%. We got 10. CVD is on these two. We got 13.2. Transaction value, whatever we got on that SWS, we have charged this. So we got subtotal like this. On that, IGST will be charged, and on this only compensation cess will also be charged. So 28% of 135, 52 rupees. How much you are getting? 135. Is it 135.52 or 42? Oh, sorry, 42 है ना? 42. No, not only BCD. Any kind of additional custom is there, no? BCD or CVD, these are the customs. So any custom duty pay, you have to charge SWS. So these are the two custom duties. B means what? What is the value of B? B means assessable value plus BCD. Rostin, for you. Okay. SWS will always be on all custom duty. So CVD is also custom duty. Just now I have discussed with you all. CVD is known as countervailing duty, subsidies on article. That is why even here also It is clearly stated CVD will be on these two. SWS will be applied on VCD and CVD, and if total value पे SWS will be applicable. So what is the total value for us? Total value is 123 rupees 10 paise. On that 10 rupees. 52 was correct. तो इन लोगों ने बोला 42 लिखो, मैंने 42 कर दिया. चलो, get me the value. 28% of 135 rupees 52 paise. Thirty 7.95 and 10 13.55. ऐड करो, ये सब चार्जेस में आएंगे. Get me the total value of product. 187 rupees 2 paise. Am I right? Yes. See, all I have made the corrections. These were the calculation error as per the previous year. Last year we did take this. So 187 rupees 2 paise. This total should be 87.2. Yes, absolutely right. 87 rupees. Round off 187. I hope you must be understanding the logic of rounding off. Okay? Now another illustration I would like to take it from here. This is the simple one. And let me see what answer you are getting. That will be my illustration 3. Then only I will get the satisfaction that you understood the concept properly. So the value of imports is 1 lakh. BCD is 10%. IGST 12%. Compensation says 10% and SWS 10%. Get me the answer. Quickly. Quickly get me the answer. Anyone got me the answer? Quickly. 1 lakh is the value. BCD is 10%. IGST 12%. Compensation cess 10%. SWS 10%. So what will be the value? See, very simple. Accessible value is not 100, which we were assuming. It will be 1 lakh. और ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस अभी आगे आने वाले हैं. Yes, Rostin has got 1,47,620. Let me see whether it is right or not. So BCD is how much? 10%. So how much it will come? Yes, many students. Sunita, Harsh. Yes. Now let kindly help us. So then it will be 10,000. Am I right? So the transaction value will be how much? 1 lakh. Sorry, 1 lakh. 10,000. SWS will be on 1 lakh 10,000. On 1 lakh 10,000. How much it will be? 11,000. Okay. So it will be 1 lakh 21,000. Okay. IGST this time. IGST 12%. So IGST will be 12% on 1 lakh 21. And compensation cess also 10% on 1 lakh 21,000. So 1 lakh 21 का 12% बताओ कितना आ रहा है? Even Mega got me the right answer. 121 का 12%. How much it will be? Quickly. 14,000. 14,520. Okay. And 121 ka 10% will be 12,100. Am I right? So what is the total of these three? Compensation सेस नहीं लिया आप लोगों ने? You have taken these two का total only. One error you did, no? Acha, sorry, compensation. Yes, एक error आया 147 620. Yes, 147. Yes, all of you got, many of you got this answer. Harsh, Sunita, Rostin, Meghna. Chalo, I can get relaxed. Now next week again we will be having practice, lot of practice on this. So here rounding off is not a problem. Kindly delete this part. वो तो 100 rupees ले रहे थे इसके लिए ऐसा आ रहा था. So here I will take it this as my tax. I will take SWS as my tax. I will take IGST as my tax. I will take compensation cess as my tax. So just try to understand, if you're importing the goods, almost 50% अभी भी टैक्स लगता है. ₹1,00,000 का गुड्स था, it is available at 1,50,000. That is why China takes, all kind of illegal way to dump the product in India. Legally आएगा तो Chinese product will also be very costly. I hope you must have realized in what context I am telling you all. Yes or no? Only the basic duty also they will pay. I mean, it will be difficult. 1.5, I mean 1.5 times तो हो ही जाएगा उसका cost. Yes or no? There we went on. BCD will be on. मैंने क्या किया था SWS के लिए?